Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have something super exciting to show you guys. We moved from LA to San Diego. So today we're doing an empty apartment tour. We're gonna show you our place. It's really cute. It's only for us two and our cats. So yeah, it's really cute. I'm excited to show you guys. So make sure to give a like, leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. Well, keep on watching and we will continue with the tour. Welcome to our crib. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath in San Diego, and your girl is going to be giving you a tour today. On to the left is the restroom. I don't love this restroom. It's pretty small, and I'm not crazy about the counters or the tiles that are on the wall, but it is what it is. As we go into the living room, this is where I would be putting the couch and the TV. Here's a little glimpse of the dining room. Now, this is my favorite feature of the whole apartment. A washer dryer. I hate going to the laundromat, so it's very convenient for me. And now we're going into the room. So this room looks pretty small on camera, but it's pretty spacey in person, and I'm able to fit everything that I have. The closet is also pretty wide. It's deep, it's tall, so it fits all of my stuff, all of my shoes, and it fits all of Ozzy's stuff. And let's not forget that this closet has a double mirror, so it's good for my outfit of the days. As I step out of the room, onto the right is the dining area. Like I said, it's a small apartment. And now we're going into the kitchen. My favorite thing about the kitchen is the fact that I have a window over the sink and I get to look out. Another thing is this kitchen came with all the appliances we needed, which is awesome. I'm so excited. We've been waiting for this day forever. We've been talking about it for like a whole year, and we're finally moving in. I'm kind of nervous. I'm finally feeling like an adult. We got everything in the house now. We have all the boxes, all the furniture. So I have to go to Target. I have to get cleaning supplies because I want to like deep clean the place before I like take anything out of the boxes. I don't know. I just like feel like it needs to be clean. So we're gonna go to Target. So I'm gonna just show you guys like all the furniture and all the boxes that we have in the apartment right now. We had a lot of help thanks to family and friends, so we are thankful for that. So I'm gonna show you guys the apartment with all this stuff. It looks really crazy, really messy. Honestly too, looking back at the clips that I showed you guys earlier for the apartment tour, the lighting in here is trash. Like, it's dark. It's like super dark in here. I would have to turn on all the lights, but if I turn on the lights, it gets hot. I mean, I could turn on the fan. I should turn on the fan because it's really hot today. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all the boxes and everything we have to put away. I'm kind of excited to decorate. And I cannot wait to get a TV. Like, I really want a TV, put some LED lights, something, make it cute. I don't know. These are the boxes that we have here. We brought in this mueble. We have to clean it though. It's like really dirty. So we're gonna clean that. We got the couches in, mattress, my headboard, dresser, shelf. Girl, I was not about to put all of these clothes into boxes. So what I did is I just left the clothes on their hangers and I just put like garbage bags on top. Because again, I'm not about to be folding everything just to take it out and hang it. So that's what I did. And honestly, like, it seems like a really small apartment, which it is. It's a small apartment. It's cute. But there's a lot to clean. Like, girl, there is dust on the windowsill. There is nasty stuff in the microwave. So your girl's gonna sanitize, get myself some Clorox, some Windex, some other stuff. I need to mop, girl. Today we're only focusing on the room though, because we want to be able to assemble the bed, get the room together so we have somewhere to sleep, because last night we slept on the floor. Since we loaded up the U-Haul last night, we had to sleep on the floor and it was very uncomfortable. I could not sleep, and yeah, it's a sacrifice I had to make. But honestly, we kind of messed up today. We were supposed to leave Santa Monica at 7 a.m. We didn't leave till 9 a.m. Girl, when I tell you it took us 3.5 hours to get from Santa Monica to San Diego, that traffic was crazy. Never again. Really going to eat. We went to this little Chinese spot. What is it called? Chinese Express? Yeah. Yeah, so we got this little dinner special. I'll show you guys what we got. But the dinner special is rice, an egg roll, a jumbo breaded shrimp, and then you get like a main, I guess, like chicken or shrimp or pork. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got. But you guys will not believe it, we got this for like what, $8, $7-8. So yeah,
each plate was $6.49.
it was $6.49, my bad. And I'm gonna be drinking this Arizona green tea. I love tea, like I just love it. This one is bomb. So here we go. First and last meal of the day. I'm gonna be showing you guys what we got from Target. We got a bunch of stuff. Been sweating all day. I feel musty. I want to shower. How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
Tired.
How are you feeling now that you're moving, or that you moved?
I already know. I feel accomplished. I feel grown.
You know? I feel grown too. No, literally, I just can't believe that we made it this far. Because honestly, okay, I already knew that I was going to be moving, either going and staying in a dorm or something. Like, I knew I had to come to San Diego because I was going to school here. And so, how many months were we into our relationship?
Like 2.
Was it 2?
Yeah.
Well, apparently we were 2 months into our relationship, and I asked him if he wanted to come to San Diego. The reason I asked him was because he said that he didn't think he would be able to do a long distance relationship. So I was like, what can I lose from asking him if he wants to go? Like, who knows if we'll make it that far? Like,
Your pride.
What?
You could lose your pride. If I would have said no.
Oh, that's true. If I got rejected?
Matter?
No, at least I would have asked, though. What if I never asked you? Then what? We would have just been broken up.
Exactly.
And that's it. So, yeah, I asked him 2 months into our relationship. He thought, well, he said he was going to think about it. And then later it came up in discussion again. And then he said yes. So here we are. 1 year later.
Yes,
dude, it took so much. We saved a lot of money. I was losing my patience. I didn't think we were going to find anything in time. But look, we found it. Found it. Patience is key when you're looking for an apartment, honestly. And then moving to a whole different city, like, girl.
This is the apartment we wanted in the beginning, but we couldn't move in yet. And look what happened. And we really wanted this one. You feel me? So
yeah, we had actually came to this apartment building. We viewed one in May. And it's crazy because the apartment that we viewed in May is actually the apartment that's right under us. So we're basically in the same building, just a different unit. Same features, washer, dryer. And it's just crazy how it worked out because I didn't think we were going to get it at all. I never thought like we would be living in this apartment building. But yeah.
It's the one we wanted.
It's the one we wanted. It's the one we wanted. It's not the nicest, but we like it. I mean, for now, it's literally our first apartment. And so, I mean, I don't like the bathroom. One thing I don't like about this apartment is the bathroom.
It do look a little janky.
The bathroom is a little janky. But, nonetheless, everything else is really nice. And I'm happy. I'm happy we're here.
Good location.
Good location. 10 minutes from my school. Like, what? I know. And we're close to a lot of things. There's literally a park right across the street. If we want to go work out, play tennis, he can go play basketball. So it just worked out, honestly. And we're just like so happy. Are you happy? Yeah, so we're just like really happy that we were able to get this apartment. This is another accomplishment for the both of us. It's a new start. And yeah, we'll see where we end up.
Next year, we'll see when we end up next year.
I know, we'll see where we end up next year because we only have this place for a year. And then we'll see if I need to stay in school a little longer or, you know, we're going to see. We'll keep you guys updated with what's going to happen when it happens. But I'm going to show you guys what I got to eat and then I'm going to show you what I got from Target. We were supposed to clean the room and get it all set up. But honestly, we might just sleep on the couch, call it a day, drink some Trulies. We got some Trulies. And yeah. So that's that. Let me show you my meal. All right, so this is crispy orange chicken. This is the spicy version. I got fried rice, an egg roll, and then this is like the jumbo shrimp. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Target. And I also went to Ross and Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So the first item that I got is this trash can. So I'm gonna be putting this trash can in the bathroom. I got this from Ross, and this was $7.99. The ones that were at Target were like $15 and up. The next thing that I got was this utensil set. This is actually from Target. So we want things for the house, but we're not trying to spend like all this coin. We're on a budget, girl. So we got the most inexpensive set. This one here was $10. It's 20 pieces, so it's good for 4 sets. Target, $10. So, I mean, there was this other set that I really wanted. It was $25. But Ozzy was like, you know what? We're trying to save money. Like, don't ball out. Like, no one's going to be like, wow, you have such nice freaking utensils. And I was like, you know what? He's right. So we went with the $10 set. I also got this dish rack from Target. This one was $12. This is good to like dry your dishes. The only thing is I haven't tried it on my sink. I like the ones that sit on like on the actual sink. So I don't know if this one fits in my sink. So I have to figure that out right now. But yeah, I got this from Target, 12 bucks. I mean, it was the best one that they had. They had one that was all plastic, but I was like, nah, this one was nice. So if it doesn't work out, I might have to exchange it. For the bathroom, I got this shower caddy. This is also from Target. This one was $16. The last one that I had was also from Target, and it said that it was like anti-rust, but it started to rust. So this one also says rust resistant or anti-rust, whatever. So we're gonna see. I doubt it's not gonna rust. I'm pretty sure it is, but we'll see how long this one lasts. It's pretty small, but it's just good enough for Ozzy and I. So got this one, $16. So we needed some pots and pans. The other pots and pans that we had, they were my mom's, and of course my mom needs her pots and pans. So we went and we bought ourselves a set. This set is a 15-piece set. It's also from Target. This is a Farberware. Apparently it's really good. I don't know if it is, but apparently it is. It's supposed to be like non-stick. It's supposed to last a long time and be really good. It says performs 3 times better than ceramic non-stick. I don't know. I just like non-stick pans trip me out because they say they're non-stick, and then you put an egg on it and it's like hella sticky. So it's like, how you gonna say you non-stick and then everything sticks? So we're gonna try these out. I'll let you guys know if these pots and pans are good. It also comes with like a spatula, a whisk, some spoons, a ladle. It's a pretty good set. This set was actually on sale for 40 bucks. So we just got the cheapest one. Hopefully it's like some type of good, but honestly we don't cook that often. I'm still learning to cook. I still want to get better. I want to cook more now. I'm trying to be on that healthier lifestyle. I'm trying to work out more, but I've been saying that forever and I still eat garbage. So we'll see how that goes. I also decided to get this. This is for my Keurig. So if you guys have a Keurig, you already know that the little cake cups, you know, they come already prepackaged and you just put one in, then throw it away once you're done. So this is actually different. So it's a K-cup. Instead of throwing it away, you get to reuse it and you get to put in your own coffee. So that's really good. So you can brew it with ground coffee. Basically, you just put it in the little cup and then you put it inside your Keurig and then you can make any coffee you like. And girl, I was not trying to spend like $23 on, you know, a box of K-cups when I can spend $14.99 and then just put in my own coffee. I mean, that makes a lot more sense to me. So I got this. I just thought it was going to be a good investment. So here it is. I also got this measuring cup. Yeah. I don't know if I'll use it anytime soon. I probably will, probably won't. I don't know, but it was $3. So I was like, I'm gonna take it. And the rest of the items that I got are actually cleaning items. I'll show you guys what I got regardless. but it's gonna be really quick. I don't think you guys are really interested in what I used to clean. Got this brush, you know, I'm gonna be using it. I have to scrub the tub, scrub some other stuff. So this is my cleaning brush. Got these sponges. I went to the Dollar Tree. I got these drying sheets. I've never tried this scent before, but it smells so good, so I thought I would try it. We also got some little towels. These little towels are really good because, you know, like when the counter gets dirty, you can clean it, or when you need to dry your dishes, you could use them if you need. So what we're basically trying to do is like get enough towels so that we can color coordinate it for every room. I know that's kind of weird. So like these here would be for the kitchen, which means no, you cannot use them in the bathroom because these are for the kitchen. And then we also got some black ones from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 4, by the way. So we got some black ones from the Dollar Tree, and those are going to be used for when we clean our shoes with our cleaning kits or whatever. And then we have to get more cleaning cloths for the bathroom. So we're just missing some for the bathroom, and then we'll be all set. I got this from the Dollar Tree. This is actually really good, by the way. If you guys are trying to take out like yellow stains from like white shirts or any type of stains from any shirts, blankets, towels, all you have to do is spray this on the stain, let it sit for about like 15 minutes, and then when you put your stuff in the wash, it honestly takes out your stain. Mom put me on this. She has been using this for my white shirts because for some reason, like, I don't know if it's just my shirts. I'm pretty sure it happens to everybody. But the more often that I use a white shirt and the more I sweat in the shirt, I start getting yellow stains in my pits. And then like when I try to wash it, the stains stay. So if you spray this on the stain, leave it in for about 15 minutes, put it in the washer, your stain will be gone. I also got some of this spray, which actually spilled in the bag. And the last thing I got is this super big Fabuloso because I need to mop, and you cannot go wrong with a purple Fabuloso. I also like the blue one. The blue one smells so good. But honestly, this was the biggest size that they had at Target, and it was actually a good price. It was like $7. I thought it was going to be a lot more than that, but it was only $7, so you can't go wrong. That's all we bought for the apartment so far. I do have to buy like so much more stuff, and we have a lot of work to do in this apartment, but I wanted to show you guys the empty apartment before we moved everything in. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like with the boxes and the furniture inside, so you guys get a little idea, even though it's hella messy. Hopefully next time you guys see my apartment, it'll be fully furnished, and when it is, I will do another tour. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna end the video here. It's late, I'm tired, I'm sweaty, I gotta shower. So I want to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are a new viewer. Also, don't forget to leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to share it with your friends and your family. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.